Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. October 10th every year is observed as World Mental Health Day. So today I thought of talking about mental health and homeopathy. Right? In homeopathy we have medicines. In fact, many medicines which act on the mental level, that is on the mind. Thus, it is very useful in psychological and psychiatric problems. Also, homeopathy helps to maintain a good mental health in a person. It is believed that mind is one of the very important cause for many diseases. Chronic stress or chronic emotional imbalance can lead to physical disease in the long run. Homeopathy helps to manage emotion in a better way, thus it relaxes the mind and it removes the root cause of the disease. So it is useful in acute mental problems or acute exacerbation of chronic condition or even in chronic mental problems. It soothes the mind and body, thus giving overall relief to the person. So it can be used in psychological and psychiatric cases without any side effects. If used in early stages of any mental disease, then it can prevent worsening of the condition. Now, let me tell you some of the most common mental diseases in which homeopathy can be useful. First, coming to few acute condition, acute stress reaction after shock or trauma, panic attack, acute psychotic episode, acute grief reaction, delirium, suicidal crisis, PTSD. Coming to some of the chronic condition, depression, anxiety disorder, phobia, OCD, personality disorder, dementia, substance use disorder or addiction, schizophrenia, bipolar disorder. So in these conditions and many more conditions, homeopathy can play a very important role in treating this, also preventing this and managing the emotions effectively, thus maintaining a good mental health in a person. That's all for today's video. I hope you gained a little more knowledge about homeopathy through this video. If this was helpful, then do share it with your friends and family, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts or any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.